Ever wondered why mobile device management is crucial for information security? Well, let's delve into it. In today's digital world, our mobile devices are like mini computers holding a wealth of personal and professional data. However, this convenience also comes with its own set of risks. Unsecured mobile devices can be easy targets for cybercriminals, leading to data breaches or worse. Now, imagine a scenario where a company's sensitive data is stored on hundreds or even thousands of these devices. The potential for disaster is immense. This is where mobile device management comes into play. It's the guardian angel that helps secure, monitor, and manage these devices. It mitigates the risk of data loss, ensures compliance with security policies, and even aids in device recovery if lost or stolen. Indeed, mobile device management is not just an option, it's a necessity. So, what exactly does mobile device management entail? Well, imagine having a digital key to every mobile device in your organization, enabling you to monitor, manage, and safeguard each one of them. That's essentially what mobile device management, or MDM, is all about. At its core, MDM is a technology, a solution that allows IT administrators to manage and secure mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, and even laptops that are deployed across multiple operating systems and service providers. One of the main features of MDM is device tracking. Think about it. With so many devices out there, it can be a daunting task to keep tabs on all of them. But with MDM, you can track each device's location, usage, and even data consumption. Then there's the remote wiping feature. Let's say a device gets lost or stolen. With remote wiping, you can erase all the data on that device from anywhere, ensuring that sensitive information doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Password enforcement is another key aspect of MDM. It allows administrators to enforce complex password policies across all devices. This ensures that each device is locked down and only accessible to the authorized user. But it's not just about these individual features. MDM provides centralized control over devices to ensure security compliance. This means that you can make sure all devices are running the latest security updates, have the right configurations, and are compliant with your organization's security policies. MDM can also help you manage apps and content on the devices. You can control which apps are allowed on the devices, manage updates, and even control content sharing between apps. So you see, mobile device management is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive strategy that allows you to manage, secure, and optimize the mobile devices in your organization. To put it simply, mobile device management is your first line of defense in the digital battlefield. Now that we have a grasp on what mobile device management is, how do we go about implementing it? Well, implementing mobile device management isn't a one-size-fits-all process. It's an intricate journey that requires a clear understanding of your organization's needs and the technology infrastructure in place. First things first, identify the needs of your organization. This step involves understanding the kind of data your company handles, the types of devices used, and the security risks associated with them. Are your employees using their personal devices for work? Are they accessing sensitive company data from remote locations? These are some of the questions you need to answer to get a clear picture of what your organization requires. Once you've identified your organization's needs, the next step is choosing the right solution that fits these needs. This is where your homework begins. You'll need to dive into the vast pool of mobile device management solutions available in the market. Look for features that align with your organization's needs. For instance, if your employees are using a mix of Android and iOS devices, you'll need a solution that can handle both. Similarly, if remote working is a norm in your organization, a solution with robust security measures to protect data accessed from different locations would be ideal. But remember, the best solution for your organization is not necessarily the most expensive or the most feature-rich. It's the one that fits your needs the best. So take your time to explore, compare, and test different solutions before making a decision. The final step in this part of the journey is preparing your IT infrastructure for integration. This involves ensuring your network, servers, and devices are ready to accommodate the chosen solution. You might need to upgrade your network or invest in additional hardware. It's also crucial to train your IT team to handle the new system effectively. Remember, choosing the right mobile device management solution is half the battle won. Having chosen the right solution and prepared your IT infrastructure, what's next in the process? Now we move on to the deployment of the chosen mobile device management solution. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's all about rolling out the solution across your organization's mobile devices, a process that could be as simple as installing an app or as complex as configuring device settings. The key is to ensure that every device is covered, leaving no room for vulnerabilities. After deployment, it's time to address a crucial component often overlooked: training your employees. Remember, no matter how robust your solution, its effectiveness hinges on the people using it. Employees should understand why mobile device management is essential and be familiar with the key features of your chosen solution. They should know how to navigate the system, report issues, and maintain basic hygiene for their devices. This could involve periodic workshops, online courses, or even simple email guides. Once the solution is up and running and your employees are trained, it's not time to sit back and relax. Instead, it's the start of a continual process of monitoring and updates. Regular monitoring is essential to ensure that the system is functioning as expected and that there are no new vulnerabilities. This could involve automated reports, manual checks, or a combination of both. Furthermore, as the digital landscape evolves, so do the threats. This necessitates regular updates to your mobile device management solution. Updates could mean installing the latest security patches or even upgrading to a new version of the software. It's a continual process of staying one step ahead of potential threats. And that's it. You have successfully implemented a mobile device management solution. But remember, this isn't a one-off task. It's a commitment to continuous security, to maintaining the integrity of your organization's data in an increasingly mobile-first world. With proper implementation and maintenance, mobile device management can significantly bolster your organization's information security. So what are the key points to remember about mobile device management? It's crucial to begin with, as it provides robust security for your mobile devices. Its main features include device tracking, remote wiping, and policy enforcement. To implement it, start with a comprehensive plan, select the right tool, and ensure regular updates. In the end, mobile device management is not just about securing devices, but also about ensuring the safety of your organization's most valuable asset: information.